Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we're working on this Mercedes E-Class, guys, right here. And we'll show you where to find the fuel pump fuse and fuel pump relay. Okay, let me show you if the car doesn't start, guys, what to do, how to check the fuel pump fuse and the fuel pump relay. Okay, this one now. Okay, let's go ahead and try to start it. It doesn't want to. And usually when you turn the key on, okay, like that, for about 2 seconds, you'll be able to hear the pump under the rear right seat there. And I don't hear anything when I do that. So, if you go, guys, to the trunk, I'll show you where the fuel pump fuse and relays are located. So on the driver's side of the trunk, guys, right here you'll find the module with the fuse box. Okay, that's the rear SAM, and we have a video how to replace those and what are the problems if it goes out. And the fuse for the fuel pump is number 4. Okay, so when you start from the bottom, okay, this is number 4, 20 amp fuse. Okay, let's check it out. We're going to pull it out and it looks good. Okay, not burned. So in our case, it's not the fuse. Okay, next, the relay, guys. The relay, you can see the lettering is on the other side. It's it's a letter A actually. Relay A, which is this one here on the very bottom. So this one, okay, it's really tight. Okay, so this is the relay. Okay, this is part number if you guys need it there. So I'm gonna go ahead, grab a new one, okay, replacement one, and we are going to change it now. Okay, and see if the vehicle will actually start. Okay, let's go ahead inside now and see if it will fire up. Hopefully it does. Okay, guys, so that's for the fuel pump fuse and fuel pump relay. That's how you replace them. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.